Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya.
Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for Dheya Masterpieces series. We have a special guest with us, our dear mentor, Tejas Panchal sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Preeti, and wish
Thank you,
you a
sir.
happy Diwali.
Yes, sir. You too. Same to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my pleasure.
And I really appreciate you taking out your time, your precious time, and talking to us on Dheya Masterpieces.
My pleasure. Tell me.
So, sir, now that you're part of Dheya as a career mentor, welcome to the family first of all. And can you walk us through your career journey?
Preeti, I'm a professional architect and I have graduated in 2000. So it's overall 20 years journey as far as architecture is concerned. And it's my privilege that I had been associated with renowned firms like Harper's Contractor, Mott MacDonald, recently with Mount Meru Group, which is a African-based company. And as far as work is concerned, I have done residential, industrial, commercial, institutional, hospitals. As far as and interiors, it's residential interiors, commercial interiors, institution. So and it also done landscaping as part of it. So it has been a great journey professionally. Recently, I was in Africa and I just came during my this lockdown. So it's the second innings over here back in India.
Yes, sir. So, sir, now that you're back in India, can you tell me what inspired you to become a mentor?
Actually, past few years was I've been working professional, but at certain stage, you should do. I thought that you should do something for society, and I had this inclination for this education or doing similar social activities. And luckily, I got an opportunity with Deha, and it has been great thing, and inclined to certain things which I also value. So that's how I got into it.
Thank you so much, sir. And there are few people who, get interest, show their interest in helping other people. So, thank you so much for being part of Dheya.
Yeah,
So,
and
sir,
as a organization, the DEA is doing a great thing, something dealing with education, which I think, and the great thing which I find is that DEA focuses on the strengths of the person. Each person has his individual unique strengths. So
absolutely.
if you can channelize the strengths, it becomes more effective, and the person is more successful in whatever things he intends in future.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, sir, now that you're part of Dheya as a career mentor, what do you think how Dheya is going to change perspective towards career mentoring?
See, when I was looking for a career, I was not aware of such things. Luckily, in my case, I did not have that struggle because I already had this background of architecture, interiors in my family, and there was no second thought. But during my time, I had not come across such mentoring thing. Give you instance, cousin had this problem. Okay, he was initially into Ayurvedic medicines and then continued for 2 years. Then he realized that he does not want to do medicine and he wanted to pursue architecture. So after doing second year education in Ayurvedic, he switched over to architecture. Luckily, now he has been very successful and he's doing well currently. So I wish that problem that he faced, the time he spent or time he lost in this 2 years. Okay, I feel that this shouldn't happen to other people. I find many students who have this challenge while choosing a career. And initial stage, they get influenced by family, and they don't know what are their strengths, what they are inclined to. And after spending 2 3 years, they find that oh, they had something else to pursue, and they have been lost so much time. So it's good that this career mentoring happens. If people take up this thing, they establish their strengths. It becomes easy for them. They get a clear path ahead. So I'm
Absolutely,
glad
sir.
that they are doing good on this part.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So,
Thank you.
sir, being a mentor, what message you want to convey to our viewers to, be successful in their career or to build their successful career?
I think they should first of all believe in themselves. That one thing is that they are unique, okay, and they are here to contribute, and believe in their strengths, identify their strengths, and they are here to help them out to and to guide them. And it's you know it's partnership. Okay, if you people approach Deha, they should believe in Deha, that Deha is the one who can help them out in getting their paths or identifying their path and pursue it for themselves and enjoy it at the end.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time and talking to us on their masterpieces. Thank you so much.
Thanks
We're
a lot.
really
Thanks a
glad.
lot. Thank you.
And thank you everyone for joining us today for their masterpieces series. So stay tuned for our next video with a new mentor. Thank you.